YouTube, it's your boy Chevy Addict. We back with another video. Come do this short video for y'all. It's cold out here today, y'all. Hey, I want to thank everybody for tapping into my live, y'all. I appreciate for y'all. I appreciate y'all for tapping into my live, y'all. I appreciate it. But hey, like I said, we came to do an unboxing video. Yup. We got a package straight from Alabama, y'all. See what it is. Straight from Alabama, y'all. Like I said, we got a package straight from Alabama, y'all. For Sparrow. Let's open it and see what it is, y'all. Coming, y'all. Just know. We coming, y'all. Just know. Here we go, y'all. Oh. See, Sparrow, y'all. Sparrow. Got it for you. Got it from a 1984 Cutlass. See, Sparrow, y'all. See? Metal. You can hear when I knock on it, y'all. You can hear when I knock on it, y'all. Nice. Nice. Straight from Chevy Addict. From me to me, huh? I like this. Sparrow. Yup. Came with some business cards. Chevy Addict. He offers custom tags, power washing, light mechanic work, oil change, grass cutting, and much more. Subscribe to his YouTube channel at Chevy Addict. There goes his phone number at the bottom. Yo, man, it's me, 84 Cuddy. Man, I don't know how Chevy Addict be sitting in this car, boy, with this thing on PT. Man, this thing hot. This turtleneck hot. Hey, look, man. Hey, not only is this a Sparrow tag, man, I made it out of fan, boy, cooling down. Nah, but for real, man, hey, Chevy Addict, man, I appreciate you, bro. Yeah. Hey, if y'all ain't got one, go get you one. Chevy Addict, bro. Chevy Addict, tough with it. Y'all see it, huh? It's Big Sparrow, Big Daily, 84 Cuddy. Hey, make sure y'all go subscribe to Chevy Addict right now. Make sure y'all subscribe to everybody right now. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. Run me up, run everybody up. Hey, this was a little short video, man, bothering Chevy Addict, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. I'll holler at y'all on the next one. We out.
Chevy Addict pulling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail.